Welcome to Malta's magnificent Grand Harbour. Just south of the harbour, you can notice a beautifully restored historic building and an impressive glass and steel globe. Many exciting experiments and activities happen inside this remarkable building. Feed your curiosity and join us on this journey of exploration. This is Esplora, Malta's national interactive science centre and planetarium, situated in the southern coastal village of Kalkara, with breathtaking views of the natural Grand Harbour of Valletta, as well as the imposing forts of St. Angelo, St. Elmo and Ricasolo. Due to the Maltese island's strategic location and natural harbours, the islands have a fascinating history. The Grand Harbour was the base for the Order of the Knights of St. John. They settled in the city of Birgu and improved its fortifications. Following the historic Great Siege of 1565, the Order decided to settle permanently in Malta and began to construct a new capital city, Valletta. For the next 2 centuries, Malta went through a golden age, where the arts and architecture flourished. Dating back to this period, we find Villa Bigi, built by Fra Giovanni Bicchi in the 17th century. The villa was originally intended as a summer residence. The Grand Harbour is also famous for its medical tradition that can be traced back some 500 years. In fact, during the rule of the Order of St. John, La Sacra Infermeria contributed to the well-being and care of the sick and wounded. Since the early 19th century, Villa Bigi was extended and transformed into the Royal Naval Hospital Bigi that contributed to the nursing and medical care of casualties. So much so that during World War I, Malta earned the title of Nurse of the Mediterranean. The hospital also had a cot lift which served to transfer injured sailors on stretchers from their vessel up to the wards. The cot lift was the second electrical lift to be installed in the Maltese Islands and rises 25 meters above sea level. In 2016, the West Wing, zymotic block, cot lift, chaplain's house and mental ward were transformed into a national interactive science centre, now known as Esplora. The original Villa Bigi continues to house the administration of the Malta Council for Science and Technology, the entity which was responsible for this project since its inception. Esplora has been transformed into a place where everyone can experience science in new and exciting ways. We believe in being curious, creative, and imaginative. Our team is equipped with the best tools to facilitate your journey through scientific discovery. There are levers to pull, buttons to push, dials to spin, and scientific phenomena to observe wherever you look. When we say our exhibits are interactive, we mean it. Esplora stimulates your mind no matter what your interests are. We help you take a closer look at the world we live in. Through our 200+ exhibits, a myriad of thematic events, workshops and science shows, you'll see just how truly fascinating our world can be. Inside the iconic planetarium building, we explore our world and beyond through the Universe exhibition and digital 4K films projected on our full dome theatre. The exhibition entitled Life at Bigi, housed in the cot lift, tells a story through the people and objects that shaped its past. The cot lift is also the entrance used by visitors arriving by boat. This is accessible from the restored Esplora foreshore and through the iconic lift. Esplora offers indoor and outdoor spaces for visitors to engage with science at their own pace, while being in a notable and historic setting, and mesmerized by the most amazing harbour views. Esplora. Explore. Think. Imagine.